Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we will be achieving this beautiful color. I call her Aqua Marie, and this unit is from my hairline that will be dropping in 2019 FinesseMe collections. I'll leave everything in the description bar so you can check it out. So I'm starting with a plastic bag over my mannequin head because I don't want to mess up my mannequin, of course. And this is the unit. It's a full lace wig. It has four clips in the unit, and it has a drawstring so you can nice and tight, and it will fit you nice and snug. So I put the unit onto the head inside out because I want to start off with protecting my lace, and I'm going to apply some Vaseline to it. Yes, some good old petroleum jelly Vaseline, and I have some of these sticks, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lace to basically protect it from the color, because you know we don't want a stained lace. Stained laces are not attractive, and it's so much work to go back and fix that problem. So I'm just applying the Vaseline all over, and I'm parting a section because I'm doing a small section in platinum. I thought I was parting it in the middle, but I ended up parting on the sides, so it doesn't even matter. I liked how it came out anyway. I always like the end result. So the colors I'm using Adore, I'm using Sky Blue and Platinum, and these are the colors that I'm using to achieve this color. So you need gloves, clasp hands like Birdman, and I'm basically sectioning off the hair because I'm doing it in sections. So I'm mixing up the color. I did add 40 volume developer, which I don't think I should have done that because it just changed the color. It made it turn into like it changed the color. So here I am applying the color. So I'm applying the color, and I'm just making sure that every piece of the hair is saturated with the color. And as I put the color on, I'm using my hands to really pull that color through on every single strand. To be honest, you really don't need the 40 volume developer. It's really not needed. This color just goes straight on. I'm still new in the coloring field, so I just felt like putting that in it would like brighten the color a little bit because I felt like the blue was too dark. But when you put the color on, it ends up coming out the color that's in the bottle. So especially if you're using it on 613 hair, because the color goes on like just directly how it is in the bottle. So that's how my blue got so light, because I put 40 volume developer, which like I said is not needed. So just don't even bother putting that in your color. So I'm putting this on to section off the hair that I color blue so I can get into my platinum color. And I also put 40 volume developer in this, which like I said, you don't need it. And it gave me this color. And I mixed it all really well, and I just applied it to the hair. So like I said, I'm not an apprentice in hair coloring yet. I'm currently in hair school, so I'm not on that module yet. When I get to that module, trust me, I'm going to be finessing my color application and everything. To be honest, when it comes to color, it's not all about popping open a bottle and just putting it on here. It's about the color wheel. You got to know how to put colors together and things like that. So when I get 100% knowledgeable in that, trust me, y'all gonna see my work and see how I get down. So as you can see, I didn't stain the lace. So that Vaseline trick was really good. The only thing about that is that you have to wash it out. Like, I had to wash this unit like 4 or 5 times. Like, it was so annoying, but I don't care. I ain't stained my lace. That's most important. So I'd rather wash a unit 5 times rather than have to go back over with bleach to fix them knots and everything. So that's fine with me. So the color, when I wash it out, it got a little lighter because, of course, it is a rinse. It's a temporary color. It's not permanent. So when you wash it, it does come out more, which is fine with me because at the end of the day, I still love the color that I achieved because I felt like the roots were too dark and I was really going for like a bright sky blue color. So it worked out for me either way at the end of the day. So now I'm curling the hair, styling everything because, you know, you want to make the hair look cute. If you want to see how I achieve these curls and how I curl my hair, just leave your comments down below and I'll make a video for you. So this is the finished look and I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this hair is from my line that will be launching in 2019, FinesseMe collections. Don't forget it. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click a like and subscribe to my channel. Later.